How to start learning Chinese for non-native speakers. Hi, welcome to Hey Mandarin. Learning the Chinese language as a non-native speaker can be difficult, yet profoundly beneficial. Here are the top tips to help you get started. Tip 1. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basics of the Chinese language. This includes 4 Chinese tones, pinyin, Chinese phonics system, Chinese alphabet, basic grammar, common phrases, basic vocabulary. Tip 2. Find a Chinese language book that you like the most to guide you about Chinese learning step by step. The most common Chinese textbook is HSK Standard Course. It is developed under the joint efforts of Beijing Language and Culture University Press and Chinese Testing International. HSK is the short term of Chinese proficiency test. It is an international standardized test of standard Chinese language proficiency for non-native speakers. Tip 3. Use flashcards or other study aids to help you to boost your vocabulary, memorize new words and phrases. You can visit Quizlet to find free digital version of flashcards from Hey Mandarin. Tip 4. Practice writing Chinese characters by hand. This will not only help you to improve your character recognition and handwriting skills, but also helps you to memorize the Chinese vocabulary deeply. Tip 5. Immerse yourself in the Chinese language as much as possible. This can be done by reading Chinese newspapers and books, watching Chinese movies and TV shows, and listening to Chinese music. You can search Youku on YouTube and watch the latest TV Chinese shows with English subtitles. Thank you for watching. I will see you in our next lesson.